How to enable two-step verification on Roblox on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to add an extra layer of security to your account. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign in to your Roblox account. From there, click on the gear icon at the top right. At this point, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the next step, click on the Security tab. Following this, look for two-step verification within this section. Once done, click on the toggle or enable button next to it. From here, choose your verification method, like email, authenticator app, or SMS if available. At this stage, if you select email, enter the code sent to your registered email address to confirm. Keep in mind, if you choose an authenticator app instead, you'll need to scan a QR code using an app like Google Authenticator. Finally, once verified, two-step verification will now be required every time you log in from a new device. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable two-step verification on Roblox on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.